Aloha! We are making what?
Pizza.
Pizza! We're making pizza today, and we're so excited to show you how to do it because it's easy. It's kind of like the Fathead pizza, but a whole nother level better because there's basically no carbohydrates in it. So we are going to add 1 3/4 cup mozzarella into the bowl. You go for it. Dump it in there.
All of it?
Yeah, just pick it up and dump it in there. Yep. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. You can put that in there. Some people could use cream cheese, but butter, lower carbohydrates, even better. And then we're going to add, I do need a measuring cup, 3/4 of a cup, so about that much, pork rinds. So dump that all in there.
Pork rinds?
Yep, pork dust. We are using pork dust because it's just delicious. It's just pork rinds and maybe a little salt. And then you're going to heat this so everything gets melted. So you could do it in the microwave, use a microwave for about 90 seconds. You go put it in there for 90 seconds, all right?
Do I do this?
And if you have a pizza stone, use a pizza stone because this is going to make it a nice crispy crust. You're going to preheat your oven to about 425 and throw the stone right on in there. Nope, we don't need that just yet. All right, so when it's nice and hot, you put it right here, bud. Oh yeah, that's perfect. You're gonna grab your hand mixer, sorry bud, and you're gonna mix it all together. All right. Whoa. Oh yeah, that's looking great. And Kai, while I'm doing this, you can use the duck fat spray and spray that. We're going to put the pizza right on there. So you're going to grease. Oh, you're going to grease a piece of parchment, and that parchment is going to slide right onto the pizza stone. That's good, my friend. Here, you want to do it more like this. There we go. Oh, you got it. It's all good. All right. Okay. Everybody's going to love that. So then we want this off. Try to get all of this off. It's going to be pretty hot. You got a nice dough here. And let's see. My recipe testers loved this dough. They said it was like a cheesy cracker crust. Yep. So I'm going to just mix that all up. And then I'm going to plop that right. I'm going to touch this because it's real hot. Okay, Micah? Okay. Oh, this is why it's funny. Kai, get over here. Mommy forgot to put the egg in it, so we got to start. So I'm going to crack the egg in. This is funny stuff. This is how it works. I'm actually going to add a little bit of salt too. I wondered why it just looked a little bit odd. So now we're going to mix it. Mikey, you want to mix it? Okay. Now it looks much, much better. There we go. Mix, mix, mix. What kind of topping should we put on the pizza?
Oh!
Ah!
Over here.
So you just mix, mix, mix. Maybe we can cut some of this out too.
I don't like pepperoni. I love cheese pizza.
You just want cheese? Dad wants bacon on it.
I hate bacon.
Ouch.
Doing good?
Yeah, we're going to cut some of this. Okay, Craig? All right. So now when you have the dough all mixed well with the egg, it's going to be a little sticky, but that's okay.
We're going to use our hands, I guess.
Yeah, Mom's going to use her hands. And then we're going to just press it down. Do you want to help or you want me to do it?
Oh, we got this. We could just...
I know, but I think it's going to be just a little bit too sticky for that. Here, let me fold this and then do it.
Is this the bottom? Is this the bottom?
Can you hold the parchment? There we go. It is really sticky. Here, let me use this. Now that, yeah, I'm going to use my hands. You're going to spread this out for a nice big circle. And we like a real flat crust, so it's really like a thin crust. And if you really like this pizza, do a double batch because then you can just make a huge pizza. Extra large, right?
Yeah.
Extra, extra large. So spread, spread, spread.
It's ripping.
It's ripping, it's ripping. But you know what? This dough is very forgiving. So if it rips, that is A-OK. So once your oven...
If it does rip, cut.
If it does rip, cut. So now we have this all ready. And let's see. I am going to just bake this for a few minutes to get the crust just start baking, and then we're going to add the top.
Right.
Just right. So what's nice about this is you have it on parchment like this, and Micah, you're going to open the oven. I'm going to slide it right on there. Okay? There we go. Shut that, and we're going to cook that for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Close it on up. All right, so the pizza is starting to bubble up like this. It looks beautiful. Kai, come on in here, man. And I'm going to use Primal Kitchen marinara sauce. You could use, is it Rouse? I still don't know how to say that. But I'm just going to spread some pizza on here, or pizza sauce on here. And I think the next time I do this, I'm going to make a cheeseburger pizza where you use tomato sauce and some mustard and like a bacon cheeseburger type toppings. But so I'm going to spread that just to the edges. And I already cooked some, what's it called? Sausage, like Italian sausage. And I'm going to put that all over here. And you know what your dad loves on his pizza? Bacon, bacon. I'm going to use my hands because it's not crumbling very nice. This is how I would really do it anyway, right? Mm-hmm. I would. I'm messy, aren't I? And we like lots of protein on ours, so we're going to put a lot of protein on. And then I'm going to add some cheese. You want to do it?
Okay.
Yeah. You sprinkle some cheese on there, man. And Kai, do you want to do the seasonings on the top? You want to touch the bacon, don't you? No? I don't even think we could see you. You're sitting on the chair. It's looking perfecto. Ciao, Bella. Pizza time. There we go. Now I'm going to add, you're going to add all of that? All right, spread it on there. Nice, nice. And I'm going to put bacon right on the top because then it's going to cook. And it's delicious.
You can say that.
And your dad also likes it when I add a little bit of Italian seasoning on the top. Just like that. And Micah, I'm going to have you open up the oven. And I'm going to pop this in the oven for about, I don't know, 8 to 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Watch for it. There we go. All right, Micah, can you close it? Oh, look at that, Kai.
Ooh,
Bellissimo. That is perfect. Now this is a nice crispy cracker crust. And it did take like 10 minutes at 425, but then you get that nice crust. If you don't have a pizza stone, I highly suggest getting one. I guess this isn't technically a stone, it's cast iron, a cast iron pizza skillet, but it gets nice and hot. And this is gonna be our pizza. I'm gonna wait to cut it. But anyway, you gotta try it. It's really, really good, and we hope you love it.
Yeah.
Micah, what do you wanna say about?
Turn on post notifications and hit that like button so you do not miss any of our future videos.
Yay!